Another from Sir Banatbay, may maximum ba ang age na pwede siguro makipag-sex siguro ito Sir Banatbay, no, sa 16 years? Pinapatanong lang. Wala naman pong maximum na age po for as long po as hindi siya magfo-fall sa child prostitution, sexual abuse, simple seduction and qualified seduction. Pag labas po dun sa apat na crimes na yon, valid po yung consent ng 16-year-old na makipagtalik siya sa kahit anong edad. So, like what was commented a while ago, hindi lang po yung age difference ang basehan kung meron ng coercion involved, no. May ibang factor pa rin po, no. So, kaya nga po ang tinatawag doon is 16, the age of sexual consent, kasi kinokonsidera sa mata ng batas na mature enough na po yung 16-year-old to give consent to a sexual act. So, like what I said, to repeat po, kung hindi naman siya magfo-fall sa crime of child prostitution, hindi siya magfo-fall sa sexual abuse, yung merong coercion or influence coming from an adult, or binayaran yung bata, or hindi siya qualified seduction, like for example, teacher at saka student, or priest at saka penitent, no, or a person entrusted with the custody of the minor, hindi sa ganyang klaseng relasyon, then valid po yung consent for as long as hindi magfo-fall in any of those crimes.